Welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Another day, another finished product na naman tayo dito na side, guys. So dito meron tayong ginawa na lanyard idleless printing. Yan na yung output ng ating printer. Na-print natin sa ating printer, and also they want us to make their medals. Then gusto nila yung customized talaga, so ginawa natin ng paraan yung lanyard yung gamit natin to make it more durable, and also napakaganda ng output niya, guys. Kaya yan na yung para sa medals nila, guys. Yan yung output natin. And also meron tayong lanyard idleless printing na ginawa sa kanila, which is ito na talaga yung output niya. Yan na yung finished product natin dito na side, guys. Look at the quality. The quality is best talaga, guys. It's printed in our printer. Yan na yung output niya. So if nasuot na ng tao, yan na yung niya, forma pag nasuot na ng tao. So ayan yung finished product talaga niya, guys, which is for medals. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Kindly subscribe na rin sa ating YouTube channel to know more about these printing services. Kindly follow us in our Blue Up. So mayroon tayong link dito mismo sa ating cover page ng ating YouTube. So visit na rin sa YouTube channel natin to know more about these printing services. We have a tutorial there to help our friends who wanted to know more about printing services. Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng printing services, kindly follow na lang sa ating YouTube channel. Meron akong ginawang mga tutorial doon, including for beginners, guys. Thank you very much. Let's help each other, and kindly subscribe na lang talaga sa ating YouTube channel. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys.